In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Payhip store. First, go ahead and log into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top left of the screen for the account option. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Store Builder. This is where all of your design and layout changes will happen. After you click Store Builder, you'll be taken to Payhip's Store Editor. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a live preview of your store. This is really helpful because it lets you see your changes as you make them. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar listing the sections of the page you're currently editing, such as headers, product sections, or footers. At the very top of that left sidebar, there's a page navigator. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear that lets you choose which page you want to edit, like your home page or other store pages. To add something new to a page, look to the right of the page navigator for the Add button. Click it, and from the drop-down, choose Section. A pop-up will appear where you can choose what kind of section you want to add. On the left side of this pop-up, you'll see different section types, and on the right, templates for that section type. Click the one you like, then wait for it to load and be added to your page. Once the new section is added, its editing options will show up in the left sidebar. Here you can customize things like the heading and subheading text, including rich text formatting. You can change button text and button links, adjust heading categories, tweak font sizes, and more. Take your time to scroll through and explore the styling and content options. When you're happy with your changes, click Save Changes at the top right of the left sidebar. Then click the back button at the top left of that sidebar to return to the main list of sections. If you want to rearrange sections on your page, hover over the left side of any section in the sidebar, then drag and drop it into a new position. This lets you control the order in which content appears on your store. To adjust the overall look and feel of your entire store, scroll down in the left sidebar and click the Change Store Style button. Here, you'll see options for colors, fonts, buttons, favicon, cookie banner, themes, and advanced settings. For example, click Colors. Then choose Start Editing Your Colors. You can modify colors for different parts of your store, such as section backgrounds. Click the drop-down with the color swatch, use the color picker to select a new color, and watch the live preview on the right update instantly. Remember to click Save Changes at the top right of the left sidebar when you're done. You can repeat these same steps to customize other sections or pages across your Payhip store, building a consistent look that matches your brand.